ISTE 3D deals with adaptive and assistive technologies. I was able to co-teach during the pandemic with Miss Angela Johnson because she wanted to see how she could incorporate technology into her activities for her severely disabled students and her parents so that they could pass the fourth 9 weeks and continue to be on task with the classwork. So we created a Google Classroom. Module A was intro activities, welcome to back to school money edition. We then moved into why is it important to count money. As we moved into coins, Miss Johnson and I found a link, bookcreator.com. So it was a link to read her book to help you learn how to identify coins and their values. She then gave them a coin review of which she could assess on Google Classroom with Google Forms. Name that coin and its value, which was really good because she's basically trying to get her students acclimated to the real world. Most of them are 19 and 20, and so they could no longer attend school after this school year. So she did a Google slide. We both worked on that Google Slides. Where they had to practice motor skills, type your name here. And lastly, the money quiz, which is also uploaded for your review. And then we went into the different coins, pennies, and nickels, and the value of each one. This was really, really an awesome project to work on because as well as being used for special education classes, it can also be used for general education classes as well.